Welcome back, everyone, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you too. Today, I am going to show you how to collapse and expand sections in OneNote so your pages stay clean and easy to navigate. It is simple, powerful, and once you know it, you will use it every single day. Let us jump right into it. Before we start, let me quickly show you how OneNote is structured. On the left side, you'll notice colored tabs. These are called sections. Each section can have multiple pages inside it, just like a notebook has chapters and each chapter has multiple pages. You can add sections and pages anytime using the Add Section and Add Page buttons at the bottom. Think of sections as folders and pages as documents inside those folders. Now, here I am on my page called Why Organization Matters. I already have my paragraphs ready. The first paragraph stays as it is. This is the main item. I click on the second paragraph, go to the Home tab, and click Increase Indent. It moves to the right and becomes a sub-item under the first. I do the same for the remaining paragraphs. Click each one, Home tab, Increase Indent. Now, all paragraphs below the first are sub-items. The structure is ready. Now, I hover my mouse to the left edge of the first paragraph and a small arrow appears. I click it and all the subparagraphs disappear instantly. Clean and minimal. Nothing is deleted, everything is just hidden. To bring them back, I double-click the plus icon and everything expands immediately. One click to hide, one double-click to show. And if you want to remove the indentation, simply click any indented paragraph, go to Home tab, and click Decrease Indent. Everything returns to normal. And that's a wrap. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and share this with someone who uses OneNote. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.